Hey y'all, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I have some more hair. Yes, it was sent to me, sponsored. So shall we open it? Because this one is a surprise. I didn't even know they was gonna send this. They was like, you want some hair? I'm like, sure. I'm thinking it's about to be something black, plain, regular, degular, smuggler. But guess what? Guess what kind of hair it is? This is the packaging that it came in. Let's see what it came with. Came with like an extra band for the back. What else? A wig cap, gonna be using that. And the wig. What inches? What inches? 26 inches. Let's open it up. And it says that the wig is 180 density. Okay. The wig is 180 density. 13x6 frontal. Okay, so y'all already know the deal. I will be back returning. I am going to tone this hair because I don't like the Barbie blonde look. It just gives plastic. I don't like it. So I'm just going to use shimmer lights. Well, you could just YouTube it, what I'm going to do. I'm going to use shimmer lights to tone this, and I'll be back with the wig on my head. Okay, y'all, so I'm back, and this is the hair. I did my makeup and hair off camera, of course. But I just want to talk about the hair a little bit because it is 26 inches. That's what I was expecting. Yes, it's 26 inches. Don't get me wrong. This hair is very soft and it was easy to work with, but it's very thin. That's what I don't like. The hair is thin. As you can see, all my hair is pulled to the side and it's still thin. But it's, I don't know, it's still thin. Like, this is both of the sides. Even though I know it's 613 hair and I know, you know, I'm not supposed to expect it to be full. It's 180 density, but yet I did have 180 density hair that was thicker than this. But I don't want to bash the hair company because they did work with me, but I just want to give my honest opinion on the hair. Like, it blends, don't get me wrong. The lace was amazing. It's definitely giving scalp, but still, it's giving thin at the same time too. Because no way. This is one side of the hair and the other side of the hair. No way. No way. And I seen that it was $170 or something for the original price. Because sometimes they do have coupons and stuff like that you could apply to your checkout. But for $170, come on, y'all. Really, I could make this into one curl. Look. No, be for real. Be for real. Now, I say, if y'all have money to blow like that and it's something quick that y'all want to do, go ahead and do it to the girlies that got that money. But if you want hair to last and you spend your money on this, it's all on y'all. But for 180 density, I would expect it to be thicker. And I wine curled it so it can appear fuller and thicker, and it's still kind of thin. But I'm not here to bash the hair company. I just want y'all to know that if y'all will purchase this wig, what y'all getting yourself into. Because wine curls usually make the hair look full, and this is the front, and this is the back, and this is the other side. Keep in mind, I like a rag doll. But keep in mind, that's what it looked like. So it was everything is listed in the not in the description box. I'm saying that when you purchase this wig off Amazon, it will say that it's a 13x6, 180 density. But like I said, I've had hair that was 180 density thicker than this. But overall, did I already say that in the beginning? Overall, I give this hair a 7.5 out of 10 just because the density. To me, this was more of 150 density more than 180 density, because 180 density is more hair than this. So I don't want to say that they false advertising, but that's just my opinion. So, you know, let me see what else. The hair hold curls very well. As y'all can see, this is wine curls, and these wine curls is 2 days old with no hairspray. Imagine if I did add a hairspray in it, it would have been, you know, good. But has good lace. What else? Whole curls, minimum shedding. This hair don't shed like that. Minimum shedding. What else I like to see in hair? And fullness. I felt like if this hair was really 180 density, this would knock it out the park, because Amazon is, you know, hit and miss with wigs, but it's giving 150 density. But let me see. I'm gonna say, yeah, 7.5 out of 10 with this wig. So if y'all like this video, give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. More everything is on the way, and thank y'all for watching.